very passionate about animals, and dogs are very dear to me since I was a child. It's something that comes very naturally to me. So, being here today made me extremely emotional. I fail to fathom how there is no humanity left, and we are the I think the species that are supposed to take care of the rest of them, like make space for them. But I think we've become so greedy. We've taken away all their land. We've become extremely cruel, and it's something that I find hard to believe because I feel like Bangalore especially is a place where people have always been very concerned citizens. We are very compassionate. We have a lot of empathy. We've taken care of our trees, our lakes, our animals, and we've always coexisted. And to think of an institution like DRDO that would do something like this, they should have gone and done it the right way, which is, approach the BBMP and ask them to look into the dogs' vaccination or sterilization. I'm told that the dogs were already sterilized and neutered, and there were people who were feeding them also. And the way they were taken away, and we have no idea where the dogs are today. They say that they have been relocated to another part in the same campus, and they're in some enclosure and they've been taken care of. So I'm like, show us, the videos and the pictures that, the dogs are there. But most people here think that the dogs have died. And I think as per law, we need to find justice for the dogs. And I'm very happy that the BBMP has filed a case, in High Court against the DRDO officials. And whoever they are who ordered this, they must be taken to task. And I think the only way, yes, protest is one way, but I think hopefully we will get justice.